Hi, I'm Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. This week's episode is on EVBase's brand new 3-piece telescoping rack for your Cybertruck, so stay tuned. And welcome back. Now EVBase, they've got a couple new items they've got out and a couple of new ones they're coming out with. They've got this new rack for the top area of your Cybertruck that's coming out in February. You can pre-order it. Looks really, really cool. Uses all four and gives it a flat rack with lights on the front. You gotta go to EVBase's website and check it out, but that's not gonna be available for another month or two. In the meantime, they've got a brand new rack here. Now, this is different than the other racks you've seen. This is metal, and as you saw, I was sitting on it. This thing will hold me, I'm 200 pounds, okay? It's a 3-piece unit. There's a right and left side, and then there's a middle. It's secured in there by 2 bolts on the front, 2 bolts on the back, and 2 bolts on top. And the cool thing about it is you could put it in any 4 of the slots. And you could put it in spot 1 and 2, 1 and 3 like I have it, 2 and 4, 3 and 4, doesn't make a difference. 1 and 4, okay? Depending on what you're carrying. You could be carrying a ladder, a kayak, spare tire. In fact, if you put this in spot 1 and 2 right here, you can put a spare tire for your Cybertruck up here. Now, the great thing is there's a key that goes in the side, it unlocks it, allows you to unbolt it from here. And then on the unit, it makes it really super easy. It's got 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, and 4. So basically, when you install it and you go to adjust the size, you do it based upon what position it's in, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Unlike the others that are plastic, this is metal. This is not going anywhere, okay? So it's a great way for you to, again, put it in rack 1 and 2. You can get a car carrier, mount the car carrier to the top. And if you're going on trips, you have more storage to put your clothes and everything else in for your vacation when you take your Cybertruck with you. So this is a very awesome, very practical use. Right now I have it in slot 1 and 3. I may move it to 1 and 2. We'll see. But it's again a 3-piece unit. EVBase is the only company I've seen offer this. If you're a contractor, you can get the one set that it comes with just the 2. You can order 2 sets and get 4 of them if you need the extra support for what you're carrying. But this easily carries ladders, kayaks, car carriers, right? The top car carrier pieces. So again, EVBase, the link is below. Easy, quick install. And they're the only ones that offer it. They offer a bunch of stuff. You've seen me talk about their molly racks, their dividers, their bed liner, which the bed liner you gotta have, especially if you have Foundationseries, because you got the D-ring opening here for the bottom. So hope you enjoy this week's episode on these new telescoping rail racks for your Cybertruck from EVBase. Just remember, the coupon code, the link's below. Hit like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.